today. All of the people accused in the murder of the former Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Meyiwa have now pleaded not guilty to all 4 charges against them. The 5 are facing charges of murder, attempted murder, armed robbery, possession of firearms without a license, and the possession of ammunition. Meyiwa was shot dead in 2014. The case will resume on Monday. Our reporter Mbali, Thethani, she's been in court. She joins us now from the High Court in Tshwane. Mbali, good afternoon to you. How did all of this progress in court today?
Well, of course, Stephen, we finally saw this matter certainly get underway, but I must say that it took a bit of a while for the judge to actually deal with the court matter itself, because you'd know that just before the court really got underway, it was the issue of accused number 3 that was being dealt with by this court. And of course, accused number 3 has claimed that he was indeed assaulted the day after he appeared here at the Pretoria High Court. And he says that he was arrested at the hands of a correctional services facility official. But of course, we also saw his advocate, Malisela Tefo, also telling the court and asking it to then remove him from the Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Services Facility and to be taken back to Johannesburg, saying that he has been put in the maximum prison side. But just to give us a bit more insight in terms of this issue that the court had to deal with for most of the morning, we are joined by himself, Advocate Malisela Tefo. You have dealt at length with the issue of accused number 3, who has claimed that indeed he was assaulted and he wants to be moved. Are you satisfied with what you've heard today?
Yes, Mbali. Since well, the court has put the terms to the state, say they should talk to the correctional services. And the other thing that I'm happy about is that the head of the Kgosi Mampuru prison will be here on Monday. So everything will be put to her, because it's very wrong. My client, accused number 3, was held at Johannesburg prison, where he was, that's where he's serving the sentence. So he was taken from Johannesburg prison in January this year, then only to bring him at Kgosi Mampuru, where they put him in the maximum prison. And the guy is not well. The conditions there are not good for him. So the other thing is that there is no line of communication there. The last time he spoke to make an appointment with the doctor or communicate with the outside world, like his wife, it was in February. Until today, we cannot even be able to consult. And even for me, it's very difficult to go and consult with him in the maximum. So unlike when he can be put in, we say he can still be put at the same prison in Kgosi Mampuru, but in a new law. In Kgosi Mampuru, there are 3 sections. It's a maximum, which is for the hardcore criminals. My client is not a hardcore criminal. So, and then there is a new law, other section, and there is a Pretoria Central prison. He can be put either of the 2, New Lock or Pretoria Central. Yes.
You are representing accused number 1 to 4, and today they all pleaded not guilty to the charges. Of course, what have they communicated to you when it comes to them wanting to see justice in this matter? I know that when it comes to this issue, even previously, they've denied the charges presented before them. You know, even the public have also questioned, you know, their arrest in this matter. What have they said in regards to the charges that they face?
Yeah, that's correct. My client, accused 1 to 4, they pleaded not guilty, for which there's the instruction, and that has been confirmed. And indeed, insofar as they are concerned, that's why you had me raising another issue after Advocate Valoi, the state, has brought another document to say this trial, in terms of the case number 636, will be tried here in Pretoria. So that's when I got the opportunity to raise the other issue that it's not only this case. There's a case 379 is another case for the same incident. So that case, if the people are arrested in that case, the trial is going to be in Johannesburg. Now, how on earth now you are having a separate trial, different division, when it's for the same incident? You see. So my client, they've been made the scapegoat of the people who are supposed to be arrested under case number 37.
All right. Thank you very much. Of course, that is Advocate Defu Stephen. He represents the accused 1 to 4. Just before we saw that break taking place within the court, we then saw the state presenting what they will be questioning when it comes to the evidence that they will be bringing. And we understand that they can and say that they will, some of their witnesses do constitute of those people who were inside the home of Kelly Khumalo when indeed, that shooting took place inside the house. We also understand that they will be bringing a ballistics expert, a pathologist, as well as 2 police officials who were there to collect evidence on the day. At the same time, we also know that there will be some neighbors who heard the gunshots and will be asked to present themselves before a court of law. But we understand this matter has now been postponed. The first witness is expected to take to the stand on Monday.
Mbali, Thethani, I'm hoping that sounds like a backfiring car or truck near you. Thank you very much indeed. We'll be live back to you, of course, more developments on that story.